this? Like, what did they do? They just said no. It's an account to log into your billing for 3. So why would they send you to us? We don't. Swap the phone. The iPhone, yeah. That doesn't make any sense because he's trying to log into their systems. Do you understand what I'm saying?
Yeah, you see the phone.
Yeah, we're an Apple store, yeah. But we don't do anything with 3 systems. Do you know what I mean? Like, if I try.
You're from Scotland, if you want to say that.
So this is.